A, S, A, congruence criterion. So far, we have learnt types of criteria, like S, S, S criterion, and S, A, S criterion, for determining the congruence of triangles. In these criteria, we have seen that, for making an exact copy of the given triangle, we require a group of 3 measures. For example, for S, S, S criterion, we need all the 3 sides, and, for S, A, S criterion, at least 2 sides, and the angle between them are required. Now, let us try to find one more such criterion, in which only one side is known. For this, let us draw an exact copy of the triangle A, B, C, with one side, say BC, equal to 5 centimeters. Here, we may get number of triangles. So, let us view the measure of any angle, say angle B, equal to 60 degrees. With side BC, and at an angle B, equal to 60 degrees, draw a ray BX. Here also, we can get any number of triangles. Now, we require one more measure of an angle, say angle C, that is 40 degrees. So, at vertex C, draw a ray, making an angle of 40 degrees with BC, and intersecting the ray BX. The point of intersection of these 2 rays is vertex A. Thus, we have formed the exact copy of the original triangle A, B, C. Hence, if the measures of the 2 angles, and the included side, are given, then we can draw an exact copy of the given triangle. This condition is called angle-side-angle criterion, or ASA criterion. It can also be stated as, if, under a correspondence, 2 angles, and the included side of a triangle, are equal to 2 corresponding angles, and the included side of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. Using this rule, let us find whether the given triangles A, O, C, and B, O, D, are congruent, or not. For applying A, S, A congruence criterion, we need to know 2 angles, and the side between them. Here, observe that the given sides of the 2 triangles are not included between the given angles. So, we need to know the measures of angles A and B to apply ASA rule. We know that sum of all angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees by angle sum property. So, whenever 2 angles of a triangle are given, then we can find the 3rd angle. Hence, in triangle AOC, angle A is equal to 180 degrees minus 60 plus 40 degrees, which is equal to 80 degrees. Similarly, in triangle BOD, angle B is equal to 180 degrees minus 60 plus 40 degrees, which is equal to 80 degrees. In triangle AOC and triangle BOD, we have angle A equal to angle B, because both are 80 degrees. Also, side AC is equal to BD, as both are of length 3 centimeters. And angle C is equal to angle D, as each of them is 60 degrees. Here, sides AC and BD are included between the angles shown. Thus, triangle AOC is congruent to triangle BOD by ASA congruence rule. So, whenever two angles and one side of one triangle are equal to the corresponding two angles and one side of another triangle, we may convert it into two angles, and the included side form of congruence, that is, ASA congruence criterion.